Guys, I need your help. My hair is just falling out. I haven't dyed it since end of October. I'll link that up here. When I stripped the blue out of it. I haven't touched my hair since. Like, that's why I have all these roots. But my hair just keeps falling out. Like, what? I have all these baby hairs and just... I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But I don't know what to do. So, went to Sally's. And I have 2 hair girls there. They recommended this, which is a coconut oil deep conditioner. So I put this on my head, and then I put a shower cap on, and I leave it on for, I think it says 10 minutes. I leave it on, or I don't know how long it is, but I usually leave it on for like 30 minutes. Like, I try to like keep it all in there, and like that was working. I've done it several times now, like 10 times since like I did my hair in end of October. She also recommended this. It's a Fogy. This. It's like a protein thing. I just haven't done it because I'm scared to do it. But what am I supposed to do? I'm losing my hair. I am in a wedding in August and I don't want to be bald. Like, I already have this shaved off. So I don't want this to be crazy too. Help me, please.